How do you fix an iPhone that's stuck on Bootloop without erasing all of its data? Well, there's different methods out there that people show. One of them is press the volume up and the volume down and the power button and hold that down. I haven't found that method works at all, and a lot of the people that say to try that will say, well, do this before you erase the whole thing, as kind of try this first, but it might not work. So I haven't found that it works. I think a lot of people will say that it hasn't worked for them either. One of the options is to erase the whole phone. I think that is not a good idea because you don't want to lose all your files. I didn't want to lose all my files. So really you need to figure out what the problem is going on with the phone. So what the problem could be for a lot of cases is water damage, and that's what it was for me. So essentially salt water had seeped in through the ear speaker and damaged the ear speaker. And when the ear speaker is damaged, for whatever reason, the phone is not able to turn on and it gets stuck in a boot loop. So how do you fix that? Well, first you want to test it and make sure that's your problem before you start replacing any parts. The way you test it is you disconnect the ear speaker. It's actually a lot simpler than it seems. There's two screws on the bottom of the iPhone. Right there, you can see them right on the right and left side of the power jack. Unscrew those screws, take the screen off, and then disconnect the ear speaker. The connection spot is right around there. If that fixes it, if the disconnection of it makes it so it can turn on, then you know you need to replace your ear speaker. You can buy them on eBay for about $7. It's totally worth your time. Your Face ID probably won't work after, but you've got all your files and your phone will work.